Our body contains hundreds of different types of cells, from immune cells to skin cells to neuron. Almost all of our cells contain same set of DNA instruction. So why do they look so different? And oh, Mr. Panda, the answer is simple: different gene regulation.
Gene regulation is how cell control which gene out of managing in. The clear picture is depicted here, like how it works. Now here it's given the example of what happened inside the cell and also information about outside the cell, like what is happening. This is how it works in liver cell and in neuron, in with neurotransmitter and alcohol dehydrogenase.
So fascinating. But I have a doubt. How do these cells decide which gene to turn on or which genes to turn off? Now that is the tricky question. Many factors that affect which gene a cell expresses, different cell types expresses different types of gene. As we saw before, however, two different cells of same types of also have same gene expression pattern depending on their environment and internal state. We can say that the cell gene express pattern is determined by information of both inside and outside of the
So
cell.
this was all about gene regulation, but there was a question like who Mr. Panda has asked that how it decides then when will it the cell will turn on or when it will be turned off. Liver it removes toxic substances like alcohol from a bloodstream. So for that, liver has to express a subunit species, that is alcohol dehydrogenase. So the alcohol dehydrogenase it will act on that and it will remove the alcohol. Like in brain we have neurons, so neuron does not have that ability that work to remove the toxic substance. So in that case the that in that case it will be suppressed, that gene will be suppressed which activates the alcohol dehydrogenase, because it's not necessary. Our brain it does not remove toxicity. So in that case it will be suppressed, and in liver it will be expressed. We can also take the example of growth factor. Now, this was all about gene regulation. Now, we'll move to the next topic, that is mutation. It's nothing but the alteration in nucleic acid sequence in genome. Now, having a mutation of any kind, not only like it is only bad, it can also have some advantages like HIV resistant. Also, person can be a malaria resistant. In person having a sickle cell anemia trait or sickle cell trait, it happen majorly, like not majorly but yeah, in sub-Saharan African. I've given written here. There is also people like antibiotic resistant.